I'm Lynne Kroll. Welcome to my studio gallery in Parkland, Florida. I'm standing next to my wall of watercolors. I create more watercolors than any other media, but I do work in pottery, weaving, welding, photography, collage, all kinds of experimental combination of media together. And I would like to take you on a tour of my studio to see some of the different artworks that I create in the different medias that I work with. Come with me. This room that I'm taking you into is my collage room, and displayed here is one of the newest endeavors that I've gotten into, which is designing for clothing companies. And the clothing companies put all of the art that you've already created onto clothing, glass dishes. These are purses made out of leather and fabric. Those are t-shirts that were made from collages and watercolors that I painted. And as I mentioned, I work more in watercolor than any other medium, but I often use my watercolors combined with other media to create mixed media cutting edge artworks. This, it's a little glary, but is a digital collage. This is a regular collage. This is another regular collage. This is a digital collage. And this is a watercolor that's transparent. I participate in about 35 national exhibits in museums, galleries, and universities around the world and nationally. These are a couple of collages. I create a lot of artwork, as you can see, and I'm going to walk you into my watercolor room. My greatest award that I have achieved is right here. In '98, I won the South Florida Cultural Consortium Fellowship Award, which is probably the most coveted award for an artist, and I'm very proud of that. Here's another collage. I'm wearing this collage. It was made into clothing. And this is my watercolor room. And you can see all the awards that I've gotten over the years. It's a watercolor that I'm currently working on. And this is one of my earlier digital collages. And these are all my painterly supplies. And my table where I create all the artwork. And my artwork has some repetitive symbols. I love working with a circle or an orb. And I love birds. There are birds in a lot of my artworks, whether it's watercolor, collage, or any other mixed media. I love trees. Nature and beauty are really the major motivation for all my artwork. The mystery, the magic, and the beauty of Mother Nature. So, thank you for visiting my studio.